The topic of today's sermon is turn to God before you lose your soul. Humans need to express sincere regret for their sins while they are still alive by turning to God. It is essential for everyone to show remorse for their wrongdoings when they still have the opportunity. It is inevitable for you to be pertinent because of your transgressions before you lose your soul. Whoever wants to inherit the kingdom of heaven will repent before death and judgment comes. Inasmuch as humans are destined to die once, and after death come the judgment. Are you prepared for judgment if you die now? Based on your conduct, do you think that you will be exonerated and admitted into the glorious home? If not, repent and turn to God in the land of the living. This is according to the book of Hebrews. Book of Hebrews, chapter 9, verse 27. And I'll read, and as it is appointed for men to die once, but after this judgment. With the knowledge that you will not live in this sinful world forever, are you ready to turn to God? Since it is laid down that mortals must die, are you prepared to retract your hateful speeches? Are you ready to abhor your corrupt ways and turn to God? Do you think you can be sorry for your past mistakes and embrace the commandments of the Lord? Next, are you prepared to detest yourself and sit in dust or ashes to show your sorrow for your nauseous behaviors? You must repent, flee from things that are provoking God, but turn to Him instead. This is according to what was written in the book of Job. Book of Job, chapter 42, verse 6. And I'll read, therefore, I abhor myself and repent in dust and ashes. Now I have question again. Are you ready to despise yourself because of your filthiness and repent before you die? Do not procrastinate. Depart from things that are displeasing the Lord and turn to Him before you lose your soul. May the Lord bless His words.